Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial for you guys, updated one and affordable one. I'm just brushing my hairs up right now with my spoolie, and then for the product I'm going to be using the Elmer's glue stick and the got2b glue. These are what keeps my hairs in place, and I find that I don't tend to go oily throughout the day. They just stay in place. So I'm just applying that and brushing it up, and then using the got2b glue as well. And then I'm using these Revlon brow pencils. I have the thick one in ebony and the other one in dark brown. I'm using the dark brown with the tiny pencil. I'm just using that to outline my brows. I will put all the products in the description bar, so make sure you look at the description bar. So I'm just kind of outlining with the dark brown shade and then giving myself hair-like strokes, and then I'm going in with the darker shade towards the tail of my brow bone, just to kind of give me that ombre effect, using the elf concealer. I love this concealer because it's thick, and I'm just kind of like outlining my brow bone, and I'm using the the Morphe brush in 223, and then just going in with a blending brush to blend that out. I'm using a lighter concealer, but not too light, because I do want to have that highlighted brow bone. And then I'm just going in with the same concealer on the other side, and then kind of also cleaning my top brows as well. But I added a little bit of my foundation, so it's not too light like the underbrow. And then I'm just going to be blending that out as well. If you guys notice, you can see how my brows are already looking like they're already looking some kind of way that I don't like. You know how you can see the line? So I'm going with my blending brush to actually blend it out more. Just take your time to blend. Blending is key to blend it to my skin so it doesn't look too harsh. I'm still going to go over it with foundation, obviously, when I do my full face of makeup, but I wanted to just dedicate this video to just my brows. And as you can tell, I'm also blending out the edges, the middle of my brow, so it doesn't look weird. And then I'm going to use this Covergirl I'm going to use this Covergirl brow gel. I don't remember the name, but it will be in the description bar. Basically, this is just to kind of remove that darkness so it's not too harsh and give me more of a natural brow. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section and I will answer them. But this is pretty much what it looks like. Bye, guys.